You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the name of these orchids, commonly known. Their common name is moth orchids. If you want to learn more plant names that are confusing, names from biology, stay tuned and let's break down how it is pronounced in English. Phalaenopsis. I wrote the phonetic spelling for you on the screen. Fa, le, some may say it as le. It's generally more like a schwa sound than a sound. Phalaenop, and you want to stress on that nop syllable. Phalaenopsis orchids. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Phalaenopsis orchids. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.